Buddy, today is 13th of January. It is Saturday, so I will change my calendar as you see. So today I will make a carpet for my daughter. It will be a water carpet. I hope that you'll enjoy it. The material that I will use in this project is the acetate sheet or plastic sheet. So it is very big plastic sheet. When you buy a mattress, a new mattress, you could find this plastic sheet covering the mattress. So I will cut it as a rectangle, 2 centimeters length and 1 centimeter width. Here I will need this iron. I will need these flowers to pretend that they are like corals. I will put some fish, starfish, crab, a turtle. I will need a parchment paper, okay, to for ironing this plastic sheet. I will also need a scissor and cutter, here glitters to give a sparkly appearance, and also I will need this ribbon to make sparkly appearance. And I will use this food coloring. I will select the blue one, and I will use this glue gun for sure to stick the plastic sheet together before ironing them. And here I have some orbs, so I will select the yellow color to just give like a funny texture and funny thing that will float on the water. So I already prepared some of them, and I will put also the yellow bag. Okay, now I'm cutting this plastic sheet as you see here along 2 centimeters length. Okay, so now I cut this rectangle as you see, so I will just bend it to get a square. So it will be this square large. Okay, the mattress or the carpet will be this square large. So what I will do now, I will just stick the ends here by using a glue gun, okay, and then I will put the glue gun all around this area to close it, and then I will iron it by using the ironing and using the parchment paper. Okay, so I will let you know how to make this, but now I will put the glue gun. So now the most important thing to make is that to stick this area very well, okay, from here. So I will put the glue gun and be sure that I put it very well. Okay, so I will start. And immediately stick it. Okay, and I will continue. Put lots of glue gun because to be sure that we will stick all the area, and to be sure that we stick it very well. I will continue, okay, until the end. Here I will contour this area and this area and this area, and I will only leave an area like this just to put water later, okay? So I will close it from all these its directions. So now I put the glue gun all around here as you see, and I just left this part opened, okay, and here I circled it as a finished it as a square. Okay, I surrounded it as you see, and now what I will do next, I'll just put this parchment paper like this, okay, and I will put the iron and I will make it like this. Okay, so I will let you see. So now as you see here, I put this iron table, and now I will use the iron and put it is hot. So I will start to dust it to be sure that it will melt all the glue as you see here. You see, and you should put this parchment paper underneath to prevent the mess over the table of the ironing. Okay, over the ironing table. So now I want to be sure that I stack it very well to prevent leaking of water. Okay, so now I will continue to surround this square, and then I will return back to you. Please always remember to be under other supervision while working with hot objects like iron. Okay, to be safe. And here is my last. This is the last part. Okay. So as you see, when I iron, I find that it because a bit easily has certain texture. So now I should test and bring some water, and I will recognize all the direction because I just want to be sure that there is no leakage of water. Okay. So now I will do my check to be sure that there is no leakage of water from any space here. So what I will bring now, I will bring this water coloring, food coloring. It is better than using other colors because I tried to use acrylic paint before, and just to mix it with water it will create a turbid mixture, so it will not be clear. So here, after mixing this food coloring, I just add water and just put 2 drops of this food coloring. I will select the blue color, okay, to make it like an aquarium. And here I will just put those, it should be colored to make the test, okay, to know exactly where the color will leak, so it will be obvious. So now I will start to put the water here, okay, and I will check it by passing it everywhere. I could add more water because I want the test to be effective. So here I put all this water, okay, so I will just spread some of this and then I will mix them together. So now I mix the bowl here, and I will also insert it inside in this area. As I told you, this area is the open area. You should leave it open to just be able to add the water. So as you see here, I will insert more and more water. I will fill the jar maybe 2 times. I will see, but first I just want to see there is no leakage up to now. On this side is okay, as you see here. Okay, so it's okay. There's no leakage. I will check the other side. Be patient because there is one side which is not closed. Okay. So here is okay. So now I will cut this flower garland, okay, and I will select the colors, not all the colors, I will only select, for example, the blue, green, just to make decorations, you know, and a little bit red, a little bit orange, but the majority will be yellow, green, and because I have faint and dark green. And here I will stick those fish. I covered them with plastic sheet to be sure that they will, because they are paper, made of paper, and here this is magnet. So I just take plastic paper by using the ironing, the iron, and then just to be sure that they will float in the water, and to be because paper will disappear after time. So here I just add a googly eye on each fish on the other side in case that the fish turn its side. So yeah, so here I stack the googly eyes, and I will start to put all this stuff inside inside here. Actually, googly eyes كبيرة. So now, as you see, the flower garland here, I spread all. It's very nice, okay. And I will select also this bracelet. I will cut it, okay, and spread all its items inside. So I will insert all these items inside now. I'll just remove the thread. Here I'll insert the star. I just also brought flat materials because my daughter will sleep on it, okay, so for not harming her. So I will insert those and the crab. Here, this is the funny crab made. Okay, so I'll just put them all inside. And then I will select the colors that I need here. I could select this. Okay, the blue. So now I inserted all this stuff inside here, as you see. Okay, so you see the turtle is floating here. It's very nice. And now I will also cut these rhinestones. I bought it from dollar stores, and I will put also some glitter to the water, okay, so to make it sparkling. So I will just cut them and then spread them inside. So now I cut them as I told you here, okay, and I will spread them inside. And also I will put here, put the blue color, food coloring, and I will put some glitter here as well. Okay, the green one, and I will put the silver one, and put the golden one as well. Okay, so I will spread them inside and put it inside as well. I will put and insert them here, as you see. And here are the Orbeez, as I told you before. I put them. I will also insert them as well. Okay. They are soft, so they are very nice. And here is the water. I will put it. Okay, I will put more water. Maybe 5 times, 6 times, I don't know how many, but I will let you see at the end the final shape. Okay, so now I selected those colors, okay, and of Orbeez. Each bag contains 150 Orbeez, but it takes a lot, around 4 hours to enlarge. Okay, so I will put them all. I will remove this. Okay. So they give a good, very nice texture and a good appearance. Yes, as you see here, it's really nice. You see here? Oh, it's really fun. So I will put the water, and then I will put the color, food coloring as well. Alright. Now I will start by finishing by sticking this part. As you remember, in the beginning I told you that we'll put glue gun, but we'll leave it okay at the end. And here I will put some of the glue, as you see here, to be sure to stick it very well. This is the most important part, because you also will check that it will not leak any water. So I will add more glue. Okay, and then I will iron them. Okay, so I will use the ironer to iron them here. It's okay, I finished now. So I will leave it to dry, and then I will let you see the final shape of this mattress. Okay. And here is the final shape of this mattress or water carpet. So I hope that you will enjoy this video. It's really nice and funny as well. The carpet, the water carpet that you made, It's really nice and you'll enjoy playing with it actually. This is my crepe and this is my little turtle, and here is my star here. And you see here the glittery particles here are spreading everywhere, and the orbis. So I love you enjoy this. I hope that you'll enjoy this video, but please if you would like to make it, it would be under the supervision of an adult person, because the leakage of water and here using the iron is very hot. So please you should pay attention and take care. Here when you put the glue also, I would like you to leave maybe 7 centimeters length before putting the glue gun, and then you will iron it with by using the parchment paper. So take care.
If you like my videos, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.